Back in September 2021, I put out a video which showed you various ways of moving materials from Word files and PDFs into OneNote. And there's one additional task that you might have this year. Now we've moved from the shared drive to Teams and OneDrive. There's one extra step if you're using a file from there. So I've got this PDF that I want to insert. It would be exactly the same for a Word file if you were going to just insert the whole Word file. So here it is in Teams. I'm going to click on the ellipsis menu and I'm going to click download, okay? And it downloads to the download file in my user area on this laptop. I'll switch over to OneNote. I go to the insert menu. It actually doesn't matter whether you click file or print out because it asks you again later anyway, but I'm going to click print out from PDF, go into my documents and put in the GCSE grade boundaries PDF, and there it is. So you have to download the file from Teams first and then insert it. There was a follow-up question to this, which is somebody said, why can't you just insert a link to that file? Okay, so I'll show you why that doesn't work. So if I instead of downloading the file and putting the copy in, I'm going to select copy link. Okay, and you can see immediately it says here people in Stonyhurst College with the link can edit. So that's fine. I'll copy it there, and you can change that to view and so forth, but it means that it gives them a link to this document in that team. So it means if they're in that team, they can edit it, and that includes pupils. Also, they won't be able to get into that team. They can't get into my visiting music teachers team if they are a student because they're not in the team. So that would be fine for your first class, but if you then distributed the file with the link next year, the link would suddenly stop working. So I hope that explains that for you. Please do ask any follow-up questions in the chat on the Q&A channel over in the Digital Practice team.